Ah, we have the whole house for ourselves now.
A long time we don't have alone time with each other. Like how the kids them gone over them auntie, we can't go along bad now.
How you mean? Nobody for disturb us. And now, we can try out the special style me always I tell you about.
A long time you want to try that for true, but we never get a chance.
Them style ya will make you scream for mercy. So when we start, you not have to hold back none at all. You not have to worry if the kids them are going to hear. Just scream.
Does that mean you can walk me like a stallion?
You know the thing, babes. Sure. It's who are disturbing now, man.
And my phone ringing? I wonder who's calling.
Nobody answer it, yeah.
Maybe it's an important call. Hold on and look at them answer it.
Sure. Just when we're ready to increase the tempo, you know.
Hello? Hi, honey. I'm so glad you called. Really? That's wonderful. I'm so happy for you. That sounds terrific. Great. I'm glad you like it. Okay. Bye-bye, honey.
Is who that you did that talk to?
Well, that was my husband telling me about the great time he's having on his fishing trip with you.